best and lowest price guaranteed. A Baggage PH Longchamp Outlet. Bonjour mga madam! So, ito na po yung napamili natin sa Longsha Outlet. Brand new and fresh from the store, palagi ang Baggage PH. So, this raffia, they got it for 18,880 pesos only. 3 colors ang design. So, this naman po yung ating full color, 6,980 and 6,580. Napakamura mga madam. And ayan yung mga orders nila. Napakadami. Thank you very much. This one naman is the long handles mga madam. Anything you like, nandito po ang inyong lingkod. And kayo na po ang pipili ng color and design nyo kapag nandun po tayo sa loob ng Longchamp. This naman po yung ating two-way bag, 19,880 pesos only. Yung maliit, 14,880. And then this one is the lacquer, all full leather po ito, 28,880 pesos only. This one naman po na pang unisex, 13,880 pesos. Ang inyong lingkod, Baggage PH, your happiness is our success.